Palm Harbor Home.
Hey guys, I am Rachel Trawick with Palm Harbor Homes. I'm here today to tell you that I'm here, the Factory Display Center Manager. I want to welcome you a unique buying experience. And what that means, guys, you come in, you have land, you want a home, you don't want to deal with all of the retail stores out there. You can come sit with me. I give personal factory tours on why you want to buy a Palm Harbor. But not only that, guys, there's another special thing. I will literally put your invoice of your home in front of you. We will go over line by line, one by one, on what makes that home special and perfect and unique for you and what is beneficial about it. We are now a walk-in store. You can come visit me anytime. I'm off of 6901 Bowman Roberts Road, located at the actual factory itself in Fort Worth, Texas. Give me a call today. You will save money. You won't have to deal with the extra markups that you don't know about. I place those bids, those numbers right in front of you guys. So you're gonna get wholesale savings, special savings, what you're looking for in a home along with all the warranties, okay? Plus you get to see me. Come see me today. Look me up on Facebook. We're called At the Factory. Call me at 817-766-4250 or my website at www.fortworth.palmharbor.com. We'll see you soon.